Now I am going to tell you how this system works and how the basics of Triple M are working in India and what we have to do as a manager to provide benefits to our own participants who are participating in this Triple M system. As a manager, we regularly get updated from tripleindia.in. We used to open it this site, go through the news to make ourselves update that what is the next step or what we have to do today and what are the updates. Next, here are the rules where see the Triple M participant has to follow some rules, and the rules as the participant wants to participate to become a participant in a Triple M system, he must go through the rules that what are the rules and he has to follow them. This is a FAQ. If a person who is having any doubts and if he is curious about something, he can go to this option and get his answers for his questions. This is a registration in Triple M. This is a forum where managers and participants can share their views and can interact with each other. This is a login into virtual account. This is a virtual office provided to the manager where we used to log in every day, and we get such stream by just uh, using our Gmail ID, registered Gmail ID, and a password. Here, as soon as we log into our manager account and we click on the all option, what we can see is the request to get help and request to give help. But before this, I want to tell you the basic soul of the system is the participant who is a new participant who is coming to the system. He has to provide help to the older participant, which is called as give help or provide help, and then that particular participant, after providing help, can ask for get help from the participant, from the other participants. Here, first of all, we see that these are the give help requests. How they are being created, I will be telling you, and these are the give help and get help requests. How they are coming and what is there, what is the this screen is displaying will be clear in my next few sentences. That here you can see there is an option of participants. When we go to the participants option, we can see all of our managers working under us, 10 managers, 100 managers, 1k managers, and all the participants. We can get the details of the participants over here, their email, their mobile. We can edit them. If there is any correction, if we need any correction or something to add, we can click on this and we get a new window to add it. As you can see here, this is a edit option, and here you can see a add new option. If any participant, if any new person want to participate in the system, we used to click on the add new. We provide its new fresh Gmail ID, his name, his last name, and his basic biodata. After interacting with him and after telling him the do's and don'ts and positive and negative points of the Triple M, then we used to save it here. As soon as we save it, the recovery password mail is being generated and sent to the email registered with the registered with the participant. And now we used to call the participant to open his mail and click on that recovery email he has received and buy Mavros for himself. But if he fails to buy the Mavros by himself and if he needs our assistance, we provide the assistance by just clicking to that recovery mail, and then we used to buy Mavros for him. Here I will tell you that how we used to buy Mavros for the participants. Here you can see it is given that provide help, or here it is mentioned over here buy Mavros, and here you can see sell Mavros. So now if a new participant is there or our old participant want to buy more Mavros or buy some fresh Mavros, we used to click it here and we get a warning that this is a risk. As I told you that there's no assurance of money. This is a purely system based on the basis of managers, running by the managers and participants, and the product of this system is money. You will click on this next. After confirming that you have read the warning, you will receive two options. You have no bank account specifically for Triple M 2012, or you have a bank account dedicated for Triple M 2012. Recommended is a person or a participant should have a new account, dedicated account. But in case if there is no dedicated account, we used to check the point you have no bank specifically. Then we click on the next option, and we see this window that from which mode you would like to buy the Mavros, by cash or through your personal bank account or card. We used to choose by cash for the first time, and for the next time we used to choose a bank account. Here we used to ask the person which bank he uses currently. We choose that bank account from the list of banks. Then we move to the next window where we used to buy Mavros of decided amount by the participant. If a participant is interested to buy the Mavros of 5,000, here is one thing we would like to we should have to remember that each and every participant can only buy a Mavro of minimum 5,000 to 50,000. Minimum buying of Mavro will be 5,000 and maximum will be 50,000. And you can choose any figure between 5,000 to 50,000. Then we need to select that amount, and then we put that account, deposit that account in three options, that is base 30, deposit 40, super deposit 55. Then we click to next, and his Mavro is being purchased. As soon as the Mavros has been purchased, you can see there are on the desktop, you will see that these are the give help request just being created. Suppose that if I have purchased that Mavros originally, then that give help request will be displayed here. And when this person will give the help, then his request to give help will be displayed here. And if a person wants a get help, then you can see here he wants to sell a Mavro, and his request will also be displayed here, and he will get the get help. From this is the process from where we know that when a participant is getting money by help, or giving money as help. Here we can see the bank details, in which bank we have to deposit the money, and in which bank account we have to receive the money. We have a internal messaging system, that is messages. We can contact managers by just typing the concerning uh, statements regarding bank accounts, when you will deposit, what you want to do any FD, do you want any extensions, in that. So this is how this desktop works to give help and get help among our participants. Here we can see that this is a referral option where I can see the direct referrals made by us. This is a Mavro option. This is a Mavro option where you can see the growth of Mavros, the Mavros purchased, how much they have grown, at what base they have been logged, that is 30, 40, 55. We can see the referral bonuses, we can see the manager bonuses, even we can see the Mavros of all the participants we are having in our own team, how much they have grown, when they should. And we also suggest people when to get help or when to sell Mavros, and when not to sell Mavros. This is the account section where you can see there are two accounts. One is system accounts and second is personal account. Basically, system accounts is consisted of Storage money. I would like to define what is storage money. When a bank or an institution or any company has more surplus funds, he need to store it in his bank account, while the bank store this surplus amount in their strong rooms. But here we don't have any particular bank account or any organization or a company. So the surplus fund is being stored in the system accounts, where a participant can't use that amount until and unless he has been said to do that. Then personal accounts, we get the money which we get received through Get Help. This is the account. We can add more accounts. We can edit accounts. We can delete accounts. We can see the transactions. Uh, this is a so so this is the story from add new to buying Marlboros. Referrals, where you have to see the referrals. This is a my page option opening in front of you. It has a it has some condition to place the referral. See, to get the referral bonus, you need to input your referral name or Gmail ID or registered Gmail ID as a referral for that participant. The referral ID is the ID to which the participant belongs directly in the system. Here is the option where we used to input the referral ID, and if within 7 days a manager or a participant fails to enter the referral ID within 7 days, then his referral can't be entered anymore, and he will remain with the manager. Friends, now this is a feedback option. The process of this feedback option is to communicate between the Crow is our customer contact, customer care, where we can contact for our doubts and curiosity and any problem you are facing with the system. This is a create option where you can create a ticket or related to the complaint or related to any solution you need with that particular participant. You have to log into that participant ID, go to the feedback, create a ticket related to this. One more thing and one more interesting thing I would like to tell you, that the WikiLeaks used to say that if you will go through WikiLeaks is stating that Sergey Mavrodi is a scammer and he is working against the system and the people are losing money. And on the humanity you can say of the system is the participants from the Triple M 2011 have been recovered and have been provided benefits from Triple M12. When you will go to the participant option and you will left click, you will get the option of add 2011 debit. When you will click this amount, this is not required in India, but this is, I am just telling you that the system is so pure and honest that the money if you have lost in the Triple M 2011, you can just get back with some humanitarian ground, or you just can participate with the same debt money in the Triple M 2012. This is the last and one thing I am telling you, that the system is very honest and pure. So come join us. We are trying to take this movement to the high together, and at last but not the least, we can do a lot together.